Hello there, I'm Isa from Ramblomaniacs and today I'm here to talk to you about my paddleboard. I am in love with this thing and I thought I have been using it for a while now, so I will talk to you about different characteristics of the board and maybe you will find this useful in case you are looking to buy a paddleboard. Okay, well, first, this is a Nautical board, but it's from the brand iRocker. So iRocker, what they did is they create this second brand of very affordable boards. So you can buy a paddleboard that is not that expensive, but it's still from a good brand and it's still good quality. Let's talk about the characteristics of the board, because being an affordable board is a beginner's board. So if you are starting, it's perfect for you. The length is 11 foot and 6 inches, and which is 320 centimeters, and the width is 32 inches, which is a little bit wider than most boards, but it gives you great stability when you are paddling on top of it. So a thing that is different from this board with other bigger brands board is the thickness. This is a little bit thicker than some boards. This is 15 centimeters thick, but what it means is that then you can carry a lot of weight on it. So you can carry up 120 kilograms when you're traveling on your board. And the board itself, when you put it on the backpack, it weighs 9 kilograms. So it's not that heavy to carry around. I use this board, well, you can use it in the sea. I use it for flat water. It's a beginner's board and it's basically for flat water. You won't be using it in white water or for surfing. It's not ideal for that. But it's perfect for little treks or even longer treks in which you have to carry a little bit of weight. We have used it in the river, in the canal, and in the sea, and it works perfectly well. The sea is when it gets a little bit more wobbly, because the point is not really pointy, it's quite rounded. It doesn't have much of a lift, so when the waves come along, it doesn't catch the waves very well. The water will come over it. But part of that is a fantastic board. I'm going to explain what do you get with the board when you buy it. So you get a backpack, which is a very simple, but it's massive backpack. It's quite big, in which you can fit the whole board. I had a problem with it. Well, this I have only had it since beginning of May, so 3 months. But I have a problem with this already, in which, where is it? This got broken, like the plastic is damaged. You can see it leaves. I don't know what's happened, but it's like degrading. So now at the moment I cannot carry it on my bag. But I have contacted iRocker and hopefully they will give me a solution. Still in warranty. Okay, but it comes with a backpack. It comes with a leash. So you can connect your board to your ankle and don't lose it on the water. And it comes with a paddle, which comes in it's glass fiber paddle. So it's quite light. And it comes in 3 bits, so you can put it away in the backpack. And this is how it works. You put the bottom line there, and the top one is adjustable. So you can put it higher, you can make it longer or shorter depending on your height. Obviously I'm quite short, so I make it the shortest. I'm going to show you how long is the longest. This is the longest it goes. It also comes with a pump. It's like a single chamber pump. Some paddleboards have a double chamber pump and that makes it easier to pump them up. This will take a little bit longer to pump it with it, but still works and it does the job. If you notice here the writing that says out and this says in, so when you're inflating it you can put it in one way, but you can also de-inflate it using the other conduct, which is very useful to really suck the air out and put it away in the backpack nice and tidy. And it has a pressure measurement here, so when you are pumping you know how many psi you are up to. The board, you need to pump it in between 14 and 18 psi. I normally go around 16 with it, and it's quite solid. I will show you how solid it is in a minute. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to see how the fins, it comes with 3 fins, are put in and are taken out. So we have 3 fins. The bigger one, as I say, and if you know Ramblomaniacs and you know Ben, we like a little bit of adventure, so we have climbed over trees and gone all sorts of things. So my fins are a little bit dented, but they're okay. They're doing well. So this little circle goes in there, all the way in, and then slide, and you secure it with this. And now this won't go anywhere. It has 3 fins. They are very straightforward, very easy to put on. And that's how it looks. To take them out, the same process. You just lift that, and then take them out. Fantastic. So now we're going to do the flex test. So basically I'm going to stand up on the board, is hold by those 2 stands. You're going to see how much it flexes and how sturdy it is to be an inflatable board. Alright? So you can see it flexes a little bit, but it's very sturdy. We have on this board, you have a cargo strap that has 3 loops. So on here, the other day I was able to pack a tent, a bag with clothes, and a camping chair very easily. You also have those 13D hoops here, rings. These are to transform your paddleboard on a sit-on kayak, which I haven't got. I may buy the mechanism one day, but I haven't got it at the moment. But if it's something you may be interested in doing, this board is perfect for you because you can attach it to those. One thing I don't particularly like about this board is the material that is on top. It sucks the water and it gets really, really dirty. I think they could have chose a different material for that, but that will be about it. That will be the only thing I don't like about the board. I love it. It's really good for the price. I was very lucky. I bought it in May at the beginning of at the end of the lockdown, and I only paid for it like £340, but at the moment it's 520. However, for that price I still believe it's a very, very good quality board. I'm going to show you quickly how to de-inflate and put everything back in the back. So what I do, I don't know if it's the official way of doing it, but I use this because I find it easier. And to make sure you're holding the end, otherwise it will hit you in the face. It makes a horrible noise. I hope you found this video useful. Please, if you did find it useful, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon again. Bye!